Time now for a check of your North Central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a fantastic Wednesday, and boy, it was a hot one out there today. Looking out at the Wenatchee Valley from our tower camera up on Wenatchee Heights, a little bit of cloudiness along the Cascades, but a lot of blue sky today. Not much wind for relief out there, and yeah, many of us hit the century mark, and it's going to be another hot one as we get into Thursday. We are looking at temperatures around 96 Thursday, and then our temperatures will moderate as we get into Friday and especially the weekend early next week, with temperatures Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday actually slightly below normal. But lots of times when we see these hot days, we have thunderstorms to follow, and we have that. You can probably notice as our shot showed you, clouds on the horizon. Isolated thunderstorms are a possibility from about 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. tonight, and then our better chance Thursday and even Friday. We're looking at afternoon, early evening showers both days. We could see hail, gusty outflow winds, downpours of heavy rain, and even some lightning, which we really don't want to see over these next couple of days with our tinder dry conditions here in North Central Washington. So be extra careful over these next couple of days. High temperature today, 100 unofficially here in the Wenatchee area. That's 10 degrees above our pretty hot normal high temperature of 90 degrees. 105 our record. That was set in 2020. This morning, another one of those warm overnight lows, 70 for our low this morning. 64 is normal, and 47 our record low set in 1993. Sunrise 5:37 this morning and sets tonight at 8:37. All right, getting you into those hot temperatures for Thursday. Not much different than today. I lowered everybody's temperature 1 degree for tomorrow. 100 for Moses Lake, Ephrata, and Quincy. 99 Wenatchee, Eniat, Chelan, and up into Omak. 95 for Lake Wenatchee. 97 in Leavenworth, and a hot one for you folks in Kashmir again with a high of 98 degrees. The reason, once again, high pressure, a ridge all the way up into British Columbia, and as I've mentioned many times, it allows that desert southwest warmth to move our way. We'll be warm overnight tonight. Look at that, lows in the mid-70s overnight tonight. As we get you into Thursday, we'll see partly cloudy skies, especially in the afternoon, and then those thunderstorms, especially along the Cascades. And for you viewers up north, a 30% chance of thunderstorms, maybe higher for some locations. 100, near 100 the high tomorrow. Our first day of August on Friday, that's where our changes begin to come in. We'll see partly cloudy skies, a 40% chance that we'll see some thunderstorms for Friday. It will cool down a lot for Friday with high temperatures below normal into the mid-80s. And then as we get you into the weekend, boy, things look beautiful. High pressure still out in the Pacific. We will dry out on Saturday with temperatures in the upper 80s to about 90. So about normal temperatures as we kick off our upcoming weekend. And then a little cooler weather will come our way. You notice the northwest flow of air, and that'll keep our temperatures mid to upper 80s on Sunday. Lots of sunshine out there. Another beautiful weekend is expected. And as we get you into Monday, maybe some breezy conditions in the afternoon. Not only that, but some clouds and maybe even some isolated shower activity on Monday. We'll continue the cool down with high temperatures to begin next week in the mid-80s. And then for your Tuesday, our weather will continue on the mild side. We'll see mostly sunny skies, maybe a 5 to 15 mile an hour breeze on Tuesday. It'll stay seasonally cool with high temperatures Tuesday in the mid-80s. All right, your 7-day forecast, 75 degrees overnight tonight. Another hot one tomorrow. Keep your eye on the sky both tomorrow afternoon and into Friday. We will see a big cool down, 14-degree cool down as we get into Friday, 85 our high. And then look at that beautiful weekend ahead. Saturday and Sunday, sunny both days with highs in the upper 80s. And then we drop down into the mid-80s with a slight chance for showers on Monday. Mostly sunny skies expected for Tuesday. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.